Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to Paxful. Start by opening up your web browser and make sure that you're logged into your Paxful account by typing in paxful.com and entering your credentials. From the main homepage of Paxful, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner, which will bring up a pop-up menu. Click on the settings button from the list, and once you are inside the settings tab, click on payment methods from the left hand side of the screen. You can go ahead and add a new bank account in order to link it with your Paxful account. Simply go ahead and select your bank account type and then choose your bank account country from the drop down. Once you do that, select your currency and finally click on the next button. Now go ahead and type in the name of the bank that you are willing to add and type in your name in the next field. You can go ahead and enter the custom bank details, which is an optional, so I'm going to skip the step right here. Now type in your account number in the last text box. Once you enter your account number, it will look up for your bank, and finally click on the add account button in order to link a bank account with Paxful. How to buy Bitcoin on Paxful with a gift card. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice, type in www.paxful.com and get logged into your account. From the main homepage of Paxful, make sure that you are clicked into the buy category. Now, go ahead and select Bitcoin from the drop down right where it says buy. The value of 1 Bitcoin will be displayed over here. Now, right where it says pay via, click on this little hamburger menu and from the options displayed, select gift cards. If you have a gift card and you'd like to buy a Bitcoin using that gift card for Paxful, go ahead and select one of the gift cards that is available to you. For example, let me click on Amazon gift card option. So after you select your payment method, click on the amount that you'd like to spend. From the offer location tab, select your preferred location. Finally, click on Find Offers. You'll be able to find the list of the offers for the payment method that you selected while buying Bitcoin on the next page. Simply click on the buy button once you find the best deal that you want to go with. Soon after you click on buy, enter the amount and the amount of Bitcoin that you want to receive on the next page, and finally click on buy now. How to get transaction ID on Paxful. In order to get transaction ID on Paxful, first thing to do is to tap open Paxful application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and from the main homepage of Paxful, tap on the wallet button at the bottom of the screen. If you scroll all the way down, right under transactions, you'll be able to see all of your recent transactions that you've made from Paxful. In order to view your transaction ID of a particular cryptocurrency, tap on one of the cryptocurrency that you've already made a transaction for, and then you'll be able to see your transaction ID displayed on the next page. How to verify Paxful account. Start off by tapping open your Paxful application on your mobile device. You can also do this on your web browser using your desktop. Once you're inside your Paxful account, tap on the account button located at the bottom right hand corner. Now, right under settings tab at the very top, tap on account status. Now, you'll need to get verified in order to enjoy all of the access of the application. So in order to do that, tap on ID verification. You'll need to go ahead and enter a mobile number that you have an access to in order to verify your account first. Soon after you do that, tap on save phone number. You'll need to enter the 6-digit verification code that has been sent to your phone via an SMS. So once you receive it, type it into the text box. Now, choose your country from the drop down at the very top. Select a document type that you want to identify with and give it a tap. Now, click on proceed at the bottom of the page. Confirm your information are correct and you understand that Paxful has all the right to suspend your account without refunding your account balance if the information is found to be false. Click confirm, and then on the next page, allow Paxful to take picture and record video by tapping on allow, and now scan the document that you chose with the help of the camera on the next page. Simply scan your ID card front and back of your ID card, and you have successfully uploaded your document. Enter your mobile PIN and wait for your identity verification to be successful. It might take up to a few business days and you'll be able to verify your Paxful account. How to change email on Paxful. If you've set an email address while signing up for Paxful but now you'd like to get it changed, start off by opening up your web browser. You can also do this on your mobile devices. First, make sure that you're logged into your Paxful account. If not, type in paxful.com in the web address bar and press enter. Enter your credentials credentials that is associated with Paxful and get logged into your account. Now simply click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner in order to bring up this pop-up menu. Click the settings button and you'll be able to change your email address right from this page. But you can only change your email address if you have all of your other verifications complete already, that is email verification, phone number verification, ID verification and your address verification. If you are still left to verify one of these options for your Paxful account, you won't be able to see the email address change option in this page. Once you have completely verified your account, you'll be able to see a change email option right under account setting header. Since I'm not verified with my account, it is not showing me the option. If you are, you should be able to see an option right here. Simply click on that option and follow the on-screen prompts so that you can change your email address for Paxful. How to get QR code on Paxful application. To find your QR code or your wallet address on Paxful is quite easy. Tap open Paxful application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. From the main homepage of Paxful, which looks like this, in order to find a QR code for a particular cryptocurrency, tap the wallet button at the bottom of the page. Now, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the receive button from the top of the page and now select the cryptocurrency that you want to find or get the QR code of. In my case, I'm gonna choose Bitcoin, so let me tap on Bitcoin. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to find the QR code for Bitcoin displayed on the screen. You can share this QR code or your wallet address to receive payments on your Paxful account. How to buy Tether on Paxful. First, make sure that you've created an account on Paxful. If you already have an existing account, tap open your Paxful application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Soon after you end up in the home page of Paxful, go and tap on the wallet option at the bottom of this page. Now, from the assets displayed, select Tether and tap on the buy button right underneath Tether. You'll be able to find all of the offers on the next page. From the drop-down, select USDT or Tether option and choose one of the offers that has been listed on the screen. Now enter the amount of currency you are willing to spend to buy Tether in the first text box. Once you type in your amount, you'll be able to see a level that says you'll get following amount of COP worth of USDT, and the number of USDT you are supposed to receive will be displayed on the next field where it says receive. Once you are done, tap on the buy now button at the bottom and you'll be able to buy Tether on Paxful. But remember that in order to be able to buy any kind of a cryptocurrency, you need to verify your identity with Paxful. How to load a gift card on Paxful. First, open up a web browser and get logged into your Paxful account. If you're not already, type in www.paxful.com and press enter. Enter your credentials for your Paxful account and get logged in first. Once you're logged in, from the buy menu, go ahead and select any kind of a cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase. In my case, I selected Bitcoin. Now, right where it says pay via, click on show all. You'll need to select a payment method. Now, click on gift cards option. The gift cards you can redeem include Sephora, Nordstrom, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Vanilla, and so much more. Click on any one gift card that you'd like to load. I'm gonna choose eBay gift card. Now, once you've selected your gift card as a payment method, enter the amount that you're willing to spend from your gift card. Select your currency and click on find offers. Find the best offer for yourself and click the buy button. Input your gift card's worth right where it says I will pay, and you'll be able to see the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive by the left hand side of the screen. Click on buy now in order to proceed further. How to delete transaction history on Paxful. Now let's get started. Open up Paxful account using a web browser. Type in www.paxful.com and press enter. Make sure that you enter your credential and get logged into your account. Once you're inside your Paxful account, in order to delete your transaction history, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen and click on Trade History. You'll be able to find all of the transaction history that you've made till date on this page. Since I don't have any successful transaction on this page, you won't be able to see the delete button on this transaction over here. But if you do, you'll be able to see a delete option as well in order to delete a transaction history for Paxful. How to log out of your Paxful application using iPhone. If you are done using your Paxful application for the day and you would like to log out of it, from your main home page, tap the profile icon located at the upper left-hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the Sign Out button. Give it a tap and confirm your selection by tapping on Sign Out option from the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log out of your Paxful account just like that. To log in back again in the future, all you need to do is to find out the login button from the home page, enter your credentials, that is your email address followed by your password, or you can also type in your mobile number followed by your password and tap the login button. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Paxful app from your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.